Howdy, it's Bauer, and if you're looking for a video card for your home theater PC, or maybe you're just looking for a video card with a great integrated television tuner, look no further. The Diamond All-in-Wonder 3650. Now, we have the premium edition and the basic one right here. I'll tell you what sets this one apart here in just a moment, but they're basically exactly the same. They've got the Radeon HD 3650 chip built in. Now, if you're a hardcore gamer, you hear ATI Radeon 3650 and you're like, ugh. But it's really, but that's not what this is meant for, you know what I mean? This is not a gamer's card. The 3650 will definitely run your games. They're just not going to run like the hardcore Crysis on very high and all that stuff. But it's going to handle games in a very decent way. It's got 512 megabytes of DDR2 memory built into it. It runs on a 725 megahertz clock. It's got DirectX 10.1. So like I said, it's going to be able to handle all that stuff. But what really sets this card apart is the fact that it's kind of a one-card solution for turning your computer into a really, really great media center. It's got an HD TV tuner built right in. Now that's this right here, this little gold box that you see. That's actually the TV tuner. Now, this will take ATSC, and ATSC is over-the-air digital programming. You'll need an antenna in order to grab those signals, but it also takes the Clear QAM, which you'll find on your cable system. Those are the unencrypted digital signals that you can pull down off of your cable system, and you can get them right here. And the included software actually has a program guide that will allow you to scan those Clear QAM channels. And it also has an analog tuner built into it. However, of course, analog tuner going to be completely irrelevant come February, so it doesn't really matter, but it is there in case you need it. Now, on the card, this is what makes it so simple to turn it into a home theater solution. It has a plug right here for your TV. That's going to be for your antenna or for your cable right there, but it has HDMI built right into it, so you can take this straight to your HD television. And it also has the HDCP compliant dual link DVI right here. So if you are playing back, obviously you may not know this, but high definition content is protected, and in order to display it properly you need one of these HDCP ports, and it is going to be right there. So it's all built in right here. You automatically have a card that's going to be able to be a personal video recorder. It's going to be able to tune into all your television, allow you to watch TV while you're using your computer, or allow you to use all the more advanced media center functions that you have in your computer that you've never been able to use before. So that's what's included with the basic card. Now, when you step up to the premium edition, and of course, who doesn't want to step up to the premium edition, right? You get a few extra added features to the card. Now, first of all is going to be this daughter card that you will slide in right above the card inside your computer, and actually connects to the board right here. And this gives you some extra connectivity to really flesh out your system, especially if you're turning this into an HTPC or a very, very media-focused computer. What you're going to find your component outputs right here. So if you don't have an HDMI port on your TV, but you have components, you'll have the outputs right here. You also have an S-Video in and an S-Video out, and included with this are adapters that will turn those into composite video as well, and you have a audio input right here. So it's all built into this little daughter card that hooks up and gives you and really expands the capabilities of the All-in-Wonder HD. Now, also with the premium version, you're also going to get a media center remote control and the little IR dongle that goes along with it. And anytime I have the chance to say dongle, I will. That's a dongle. And also, so it's got the full media center remote control. So really, when you get the premium edition, you're completely ready to go in terms of having the total sort of media center experience on your computer, because this makes it very, very simple, and it's all built right in. So if you've been thinking about building that home theater PC, or maybe you just think it would be cool to be able to watch digital television and HD programming on the PC you have right now, and you're looking for a card that can basically handle some games in a decent fashion, but like I said, it's not going to blow the doors off, but of course that Radeon HD 3650 chip can certainly handle most that you can throw at it. This is going to be perfect solution. Go check it out. It's the Diamond All-in-Wonder 3650 and the 3650 Premium Edition. For more information on the Diamond All-in-Wonder 3650 and 3650 Premium Edition, go to CompUSA.com and type in All-in-Wonder in the search box, or give us a call anytime at 1-800-COMP-USA.